If you have ever wanted to eat chocolate every day, you now have the right excuses. Dark chocolate, unlike milk and white chocolate, is high in antioxidants and minerals, making it a superfood favorite. Chocolate is made from cacao, a plant that is abundant in minerals and antioxidants. Cocoa butter, sugar, milk, and trace amounts of cacao make up commercial milk chocolate. Dark chocolate, on the other hand, contains far more cacao and less sugar than milk chocolate. Minerals including iron, magnesium, and zinc are abundant in dark chocolate. Dark chocolate also contains flavonoids, which are antioxidants that may provide a variety of health benefits. Welcome to the channel Teach Me Health. In this video, I am going to tell you about the top 5 health benefits of dark chocolate. So let's get into it. Number 1. The treat has shown to improve cognition, prevent memory loss, and improve mood. According to studies, eating a lot of dark chocolates is good for your brain. Chocolate increases neuronal activity in parts of the brain associated with pleasure and reward, lowering stress and improving mood. The consumption of 48 grams of organic chocolate containing 70% cacao improves neuroplasticity in the brain, which could improve memory, cognition, and mood. Number 2. Anti-inflammation properties. The body's normal immunological response to pathogens and other dangerous substances is inflammation. Anti-inflammatory chemicals found in dark chocolate may aid in the reduction of inflammation in the body. Researchers discovered that eating 30 grams of 84% dark chocolate every day for 8 weeks lowered inflammatory biomarkers in type 2 diabetic patients. Number 3. Dark chocolate may help to lower blood sugar levels and lower the risk of diabetes. Healthy doses of dark chocolate rich in cacao have been demonstrated in studies to improve how the body metabolizes glucose. Researchers discovered that the flavonoids in dark chocolate lower oxidative stress, which is thought to be the major cause of insulin resistance. Resistance to insulin is minimized through enhancing your body's sensitivity to it, which lowers your risk of disorders like diabetes. Number 4. Chocolate is beneficial to your gut health and could aid weight loss. Dark chocolate may help manage hunger, which could aid with weight loss, according to research. When you eat a small amount of dark chocolate before or after a meal, hormones are released that tell your brain that you are full. Chocolate acts as a prebiotic, a type of fiber that promotes the growth of healthy bacteria in the stomach after digestion. The more good microorganisms you have in your system, the better your body can absorb nutrients and maintain a healthy metabolism. Number 5. Dark chocolate may aid in the prevention of heart disease and the reduction of stroke risk. The impact dark chocolate may have in enhancing heart health is one of the most important benefits touted by academics. People who ate more chocolate per day had a lower risk of heart disease and stroke, according to studies. Indulging in dark chocolate on a frequent basis has also been proven to lower the risk of heart disease in a number of observational studies. The flavonoids in dark chocolate, according to researchers, are responsible for heart health. These molecules aid in the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure. And that is the end of the video, and of course, this does not imply that you should overindulge in chocolate on a daily basis. It's still high in calories and it's easy to consume too much of it. Also keep in mind that a lot of chocolate on the market isn't good for you. Always select high quality chocolate with a cocoa level of 70% or more. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button, and also check my other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching.